Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 340 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Ease into Today, a moment to soften your day rather than rush into it. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale with ease. Some days ask for quiet entry, and some mornings require more softness, more patience, more kindness toward yourself. Let your breath settle and let your body loosen its grip. You don't need to force momentum. You can ease into it. Now, say to yourself, I can take my time. I can begin gently, and I am allowed to ease into today. Notice how your breath supports you, how slowness can be strength and gentleness can be fuel. When you are ready, bring yourself back to the present and return to your day with this sense of gentle beginning. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.